To turn on track prices on Google Flights, start by going to the Google Flights website and entering your travel details, including destination, departure city, and travel dates. Once you have entered this information, click on the search button to view available flights. Next, click on the Track Prices button at the top right corner of the page. This button is usually labeled as Track Prices and may be represented by a bell icon. Clicking on this button will prompt you to sign in to your Google account if you are not already signed in. After signing in, you will be asked to confirm that you want to track prices for your specified route and travel dates. Click on the Confirm button to start tracking prices. Google Flights will then monitor prices for your specified route and send you email notifications when prices drop or rise significantly. To customize your price tracking settings, click on the Manage button next to the Track Prices button. From here, you can adjust your price tracking preferences, such as the frequency of email notifications and the types of flights you want to track. In addition to tracking prices, Google Flights also provides a price graph that shows the historical price trend for your specified route. This graph can help you determine the best time to book your flight and can give you an idea of whether prices are likely to rise or fall in the future. To get the most out of Google Flights price tracking, make sure to track prices for multiple routes and travel dates. This will give you a better sense of the going rate for flights and will help you make a more informed decision when booking your travel. By following these steps and using Google Flights price tracking effectively, you can save money on your air travel and stay up to date on the latest price trends. Remember to always monitor your email notifications and adjust your price tracking settings as needed to ensure you get the best deal on your flight.